The year is 2026. The world isn't just changing. It has already changed. While most people are worried about AI taking their jobs, a small group of AI architects are building empires. Today, we aren't just talking about tech. We are talking about the most profitable business model of the decade, the AI Automation Agency, or AAA. In 2026, the global AI market has surpassed $800 billion. But here is the secret. Most of that money isn't in Silicon Valley. It's in the hands of small and medium businesses that are desperate to automate. They have the problems and you have the solutions. As a developer, you have a massive advantage. While others use no-code tools that break easily, you understand the MERN stack. MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js are the foundation of 2026's most powerful AI dashboards. By using Node.js to manage autonomous agents and React to build client interfaces, you can charge 5 times more than a standard consultant. You aren't just using AI. You are building the infrastructure that hosts it. When you connect a custom MERN dashboard to the latest APIS, you create a moat around your business that no-code beginner can touch. Think about the power of a custom database that learns from every customer interaction. That is what you are selling. To understand the scale of this, you need the facts. Fact number 1. 70% of businesses without AI are operating at a 30% loss. Fact number 2. The agentic workflow where AI works without human prompts is now the standard for 24/7 customer service. Fact number 3. Software developers using AI-assisted coding are now 4 times more productive than they were just 2 years ago. Fact number 4. Vibe coding is real. We are moving to a world where we describe the logic and the AI handles the syntax. Fact number 5. AI-driven lead generation has reduced the cost of acquiring a customer by nearly 40% globally. So what do you actually sell? Focus on these 3. Service 1. The autonomous customer concierge. Forget basic chatbots. In 2026, we build agents that can book appointments, handle refunds, and upsell products in 50 different languages simultaneously. Service 2. AI content engines. You build the system that takes one long video and automatically turns it into 50 pieces of viral content. Service 3. Data-driven decision dashboards. Use your MERN skills to visualize a company's data in real time using AI to predict trends. How do you get clients? You use the tech you sell. Use AI to scan a business's website and find their inefficiency. When a business owner sees a custom dashboard with their name on it, the sale is already 90% done. This isn't about working 80 hours a week. The goal of an AI automation agency is freedom. High-end travel, a minimalist home office, and the peace of mind knowing your digital employees never sleep. Your task for today is simple. Pick one niche, whether it's real estate, e-commerce, or medical clinics. Research their biggest pain point. The 2026 gold rush is here. The only question is, are you digging for gold or are you selling the shovels?